This is Eric again. Once again, I'm at Miss Beavers' residence. I am here to attempt this, repair this roof right here. Here is the damaged shingle right here. As you see the damaged shingle, I'm gonna scrape this off. Wow, easy scrape. No, now I need a snake. Should be all the nails. Yep, perfect. That was easy. Off with the old, in with the new. You can see it's a new shingle. Sliding it in. Here we go. It's giving me a hard time because there's another layer under here. There's a layer of roofing. It's hitting the layer. Wow. There we go. Okay.
Yeah. Hi, how you doing?
Hi, Miss Beavers.
Hi, how you doing?
I'm doing this video real quick. No, it's okay.
Okay.
We're good.
Shout out Mrs. Beaver.
Yeah, Miss Beavers. She just got in. Good old Miss Beavers. Let's go. His nails, no good. Oh man, it's freaking hot. Jesus. Go. And last nail. We're good to go. Okay, as you see, check this out. Look at that. Zoom into that. All these are cracking and creasing, causing for one repair. Same as the house roof. It's old, this roof is so old. It's the brittleness of it. it's going to cause damage to the rest of the shingles, causing a domino effect. Therefore, we're asking for full roof replacements on the house and the garage. Please take your time to review this video. Thank you.